and subject-wise you should be good. You are all teachers. Okay, you are all. So you have to do your job well. If you fail, you are failing NCC and the cadets. Okay, you will do NCC's job. Principal's job, principal officers. Absolutely necessary officers. In this thing. That's the truth. I've been associated with NCC since 2016, so I know it.
Sir, please look at me.
Uh, 16 Andhra Battalion, Machilipatnam. After having taken over as DDG in January 2020, I could not come last year because of the lockdown. I was looking forward to come here. It is nice to interact with cadets, nice to interact with the ANOs. We have just gone to Krishna University and inaugurated NCC there, and they are a university that have agreed to implement NCC as an elective in their university, which is a big step. And all over the country, NCC as an elective is being implemented in a big way. So in Andhra so far we have implemented it in 49 colleges and universities. So we hope to increase the number. 16 Andhra has been doing a very good job despite constraints that are there in this place. I wish the cadets of 16 Andhra, the ANOs, all the staff the very best in whatever they are doing. Thank you.
What is the problem? We are facing so many problems.
Whole country was facing problems. We had the second wave also, but it is time to move on. It is time to take precautions and move on. And NCC cadets played a big role, not just in Andhra, Telangana, all over the country. NCC cadets played a big role in helping the state government in spreading the message of wearing on the mask, maintaining social distances. In some places, they helped them in administering the vaccine also. So NCC has been giving giving the requirement of the state government and the central government the due importance that it deserves, and truly we are nurturing cadets to become good citizens of the country. NCC as an elective implementation is there all over the country, and NCC involvement is there across the country. Every state is doing its bit. All right. Thank you.